Hi, I want to share with you my own experience with the best website builder, and after testing a huge number of platforms, I choose the most effective one. And I've been working with it for more than 7 years, and I earned more than $20,000 per month. Let me tell you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the category Best Website Builders. I'm going to leave the link to the official website below this video, so check it. Let's not waste time, and let's get started.
WordPress.com. Ever felt like diving into the vast ocean of website building only to feel lost? Join me on my journey with WordPress.com, where I discovered if it truly is the lighthouse for lost souls like me. When I first embarked on my digital journey, WordPress.com was a name I'd often hear. With its claim of over 250 themes, I was intrigued but skeptical. Could it really cater to my unique needs? Diving in, I realized that while WordPress.com had its roots in blogging, it had evolved. There were business-centric themes, though not all were accessible in the free version. But here's the catch. The real magic lay in customization. The extent of personalization was directly proportional to my budget and the theme's flexibility. The advanced design customization was tempting but locked behind the premium plan. Yet, the basic themes were no less. They were mobile-optimized and of high quality. What truly fascinated me was the functionality embedded within these themes. From unique browsing experiences to registration features, it felt like I had a toolkit at my disposal. The majority of templates were blog-centric, but the categorization was meticulous. Whether I wanted a business theme or something niche like scrapbooking, WordPress.com had me covered. The platform's roots as a blogging CMS were evident. Posts, pages, comments, multi-author capabilities. It was a blogger's paradise. And while the free version had its limitations, the allure of plugins was hard to resist. These plugins, available in the business plan, transformed my site, from SEO enhancements to creating a mini social network. E-commerce was another realm I explored. While the free plan offered a glimpse, the premium plans were a gateway to a full-fledged online store. From automatic tax calculations to integrating payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, it felt like running a physical store, but online. Yet, WordPress.com wasn't without its challenges. The absence of a drag-and-drop editor was felt, but plugins like Elementor bridged that gap. The platform demanded familiarity, but once I got the hang of it, it was smooth sailing. Support was another area where WordPress.com shone. The knowledge base was a treasure trove of articles and videos. And with my plan upgrade, 24/7 live chat became my go-to for any hiccups. When it came to pricing, WordPress.com offered a spectrum. From a free plan to the e-commerce tier, there was something for every pocket. The free plan was basic but functional, while the premium plans unlocked a world of features. In conclusion, my WordPress.com journey was a roller coaster. From initial skepticism to genuine admiration, it's a platform I've grown to respect. If you're seeking a robust, flexible website builder that grows with you, WordPress.com might just be your answer. Dive in, explore, and let your digital dreams take flight. Site 123. Ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of building a website? Dive into my personal experience with Site 123 and discover if it's the magic wand you've been searching for. When I first stumbled upon Site 123, I was skeptical. Could a platform truly offer a seamless experience for someone like me, a novice in web design? Spoiler alert, it did, and here's my story. Site 123's promise was clear: to simplify the web building process, and boy did they deliver. From the get-go, I was presented with popular page types, letting me decide between a single-page layout or the classic multi-page format. The cherry on top? Every template was responsive, ensuring my site looked fabulous on any device. The color palettes were a treat. While the free version offered a fixed combination, upgrading unlocked a world of color possibilities. And the best part? I could change these settings anytime, giving me the freedom to evolve my site's look. Site 123 didn't just stop at aesthetics. The platform equipped me with tools to boost my site's visibility. From meta tags to Google Analytics, I felt like I had a digital marketing team right beside me. And for those looking to venture into e-commerce, Site 123's premium plans are a godsend. But what truly won me over was the platform's vast library of free images. As someone without a hefty budget for photos, this was a game changer. And for global souls, the multi-language support is a dream come true. The platform also catered to niche needs. From restaurant menus to tools for musicians, Site 123 seemed to think of everything. Building my site felt like piecing together a puzzle, with each section tailored to my needs. Whether it was the About Us or the gallery, the platform guided me, ensuring a polished result. The e-commerce section was a breeze. Organizing products, setting up payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, it felt almost too easy. And for those wary of commitments, Site 123's 14-day money-back guarantee is a comforting safety net. However, it wasn't all rainbows. The free plan had its limitations. The absence of a unique domain name and the ever-present Site 123 logo did make my site feel less professional. But with affordable premium plans on offer, upgrading was a no-brainer. In conclusion, Site 123 was my knight in shining armor in the vast world of web building. While it might not cater to those seeking intricate design customizations, for novices like me, it's a beacon. If you're on the hunt for a straightforward, efficient web builder, I wholeheartedly recommend giving Site 123 a shot. After all, every digital dream deserves a chance to shine.
Jimdo. There I was, knee-deep in my quest to find the perfect website builder. The choices seemed endless, each promising a galaxy of features. But as fate would have it, my journey led me to Jimdo sites, and boy, was I in for a treat. From the get-go, I was hooked. I'm no tech wizard, so the first thing that caught my attention was the ease of use. Jimdo's intuitive interface felt like it was crafted just for me. I could design a website without even a hint of coding. The drag-and-drop feature? A dream. Adding and tweaking elements felt like playing with digital Lego blocks. As someone who's meticulous about design, Jimdo's template options were a delightful surprise. From chic blogs to professional portfolios, it felt like a buffet of aesthetics. And the cherry on top? Each design was mobile responsive, ensuring my website looked fantastic on any device. But here's where things got really exciting. My entrepreneurial spirit had me tinkering with their e-commerce tools. Product listings, secure payment methods, and even inventory tracking. Jimdo had me covered. And considering my dream of going global, the multi-currency support was a definite win. The built-in SEO tools were like having a digital mentor. With Jimdo guiding me, I learned to tweak my content for better search engine visibility. Their social media integrations were the icing on the cake, expanding my site's potential reach. Then, there's the Jimdo Dolphin. This AI-powered marvel seemed straight out of a sci-fi film. I answered a few questions and voila, a personalized site ready in minutes, mind blown. As an occasional blogger, I loved their integrated blogging tool, multimedia support, social sharing, and even a comment section. It felt like Jimdo was reading my mind. And their domain and hosting features? Seamless, from offering free subdomains for rookies like me to simplifying the domain connection process. It was smooth sailing. Diverse audience outreach? Jimdo's multilingual support had that box checked. Their customer support, brimming with helpful articles and a responsive email system, further solidified my fondness. Of course, it wasn't all rainbows. I noticed that for massive online stores, Jimdo's e-commerce might seem basic. And design freedom? While ample, it might not match some top-tier builders out there. Yet, reflecting on my Jimdo journey, the pros heavily outweighed the cons. It's a harmonious fusion of simplicity and professionalism. So, if you've been navigating the vast seas of website builders, looking for that perfect island, drop anchor at Jimdo. It's been a game changer for me, and it might just be for you too.
Zyro. I remember that day, sifting through countless website builders, hoping to find one that would resonate with my need for simplicity, without sacrificing functionality. Then I stumbled upon Zyro sites, a newcomer in the vast realm of web builders. Curiosity piqued, I delved in. And here's my personal journey through its features. Navigating the dashboard was a breeze. Zyro had clearly put thought into its design with a minimalist, user-centric interface. For someone like me, who easily gets overwhelmed with too many bells and whistles, this was a breath of fresh air. The website creation process felt so natural and intuitive. No fluff, no unnecessary complexities. However, what genuinely piqued my intrigue were the AI-powered tools. I tested out the AI-driven content creation and was taken aback at how quickly tasks that used to take me hours were now done in mere minutes. And the AI heat map? A revelation. Predicting where my potential visitors would likely focus, I found myself making strategic design choices that I wouldn't have otherwise considered. The grid-based drag-and-drop feature was another standout. I've always been someone who values symmetry in design, and Zyro's grid system allowed me the flexibility of drag and drop while maintaining a cohesive design. It's as if they read my mind. Browsing through their template library, I was impressed. From blogs to e-commerce, they catered to various industries with modern, mobile-responsive designs. As someone who understands the mobile-first world we live in today, this was a big plus for me. Speaking of e-commerce, their capabilities in this space are robust. I toyed with the idea of setting up an online store. Zyro. I remember that day, sifting through countless website builders, hoping to find one that would resonate with my need for simplicity, without sacrificing functionality. Then I stumbled upon Zyro Sites, a newcomer in the vast realm of web builders. Curiosity piqued, I delved in. And here's my personal journey through its features. Navigating the dashboard was a breeze. Zyro had clearly put thought into its design with a minimalist, user-centric interface. For someone like me, who easily gets overwhelmed with too many bells and whistles, this was a breath of fresh air. The website creation process felt so natural and intuitive. No fluff, no unnecessary complexities. However, what genuinely piqued my intrigue were the AI-powered tools. I tested out the AI-driven content creation and was taken aback at how quickly tasks that used to take me hours were now done in mere minutes. And the AI heat map? A revelation. Predicting where my potential visitors would likely focus, I found myself making strategic design choices that I wouldn't have otherwise considered. The grid-based drag-and-drop feature was another standout. I've always been someone who values symmetry in design, and Zyro's grid system allowed me the flexibility of drag and drop while maintaining a cohesive design. It's as if they read my mind. Browsing through their template library, I was impressed. From blogs to e-commerce, they catered to various industries with modern, mobile-responsive designs. As someone who understands the mobile-first world we live in today, this was a big plus for me. Speaking of e-commerce, their capabilities in this space are robust. I toyed with the idea of setting up an online store, and Zyro seemed to have everything I'd need, from easy product listings to secure payment methods. Their integrated blogging tool was a sweet cherry on top, perfect for someone like me who occasionally gets the itch to share a story or two. Now, I won't say everything was perfect. While Zyro is fantastic for someone like me, I could see how seasoned developers might find it a tad restrictive. And yes, being a young platform, there's room for growth in terms of app integrations and functionalities. So, if you've been on the hunt for a tool that seamlessly integrates form with function, Zyro Sites might just be what you've been missing. I know it was for me. BigCommerce. Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of e-commerce platforms, each one promising the moon and stars? That was me, until BigCommerce came into the picture, and suddenly, the fog lifted. Imagine my surprise when I discovered that BigCommerce wasn't just another e-commerce platform. It was a maestro, orchestrating every element of online selling. No longer was I confined to the rigid boundaries of platforms like eBay or Amazon. With BigCommerce, I was the captain of my ship, steering it exactly where I wanted. The platform's dashboard was a revelation. It was my cockpit, from where I could control every aspect of my online store. Adding products, setting up payment methods, integrating with social media, everything was just a click away. And the best part? No more wrestling with complex codes. The template library was like Aladdin's cave, brimming with treasures. From minimalist free themes to specialized paid ones, the choices were endless. And the real-time preview? Pure gold. It allowed me to see exactly how my store would look, ensuring no unpleasant surprises later. But BigCommerce wasn't just about aesthetics. Its functionality was unparalleled. The ability to import my store from other platforms, deep integration with digital channels like eBay, Amazon, and Google, and a plethora of payment processing options made it a one-stop solution for all my e-commerce needs. SEO, the lifeblood of any online store, was a breeze with BigCommerce. The platform ensured my store was always in the limelight, attracting customers from all corners of the internet. However, every rose has its thorns. The absence of a free plan was a slight dampener. But the 15-day free trial, packed with features, more than made up for it. And once I took the plunge, the value was evident. From the basic standard plan to the feature-rich enterprise, there was something for everyone. In conclusion, my tryst with BigCommerce was transformative. It wasn't just a platform, it was a partner, guiding me through the intricate maze of online selling. If you're on the lookout for a platform that offers simplicity without compromising on functionality, BigCommerce is your answer. Dive in and watch your e-commerce dreams take flight.